Good morning. My name is Dick Gordon. I'm the sales manager here for the Bucks County team. I want to welcome everybody to our Powerhouse celebration. Hopefully it's going to be a grand event. Everybody's going to have a good time, learn a little bit about Minolta. We're going to learn a little bit about our customer base. Thanks for coming.
My name is Jackie.
And I'm Ron.
Welcome to Minolta Business Solutions Powerhouse.
Hi, I'm Sean Lights. I am the application specialist here, and I've been with Minolta about 5 years, and I want to welcome everyone to our Powerhouse.
For a scanner stop copier for emailing documents to Mexico and China. We have facilities that build product orders in those countries, and it's getting difficult to get our information over to them quickly. So we're looking to do it in a more timely fashion because of making changes to our product. We're having difficulty getting the information there to them via mail, phone.
Well, good afternoon. My name is Andrew King, and I'm glad to see everybody that showed up today. Our Powerhouse seems to have been quite a success. So I'd just like to say thank you and welcome to Minolta.
Howard Rabinowitz with Pet Value International. I'm a prospective customer. We're having a great day.
Welcome to Powerhouse 2003. My name is Rich Fredenberg. I work for Minolta Business Solutions. I've been with this company since, 1997. That's hard to believe already. It's been a great ride. I handle the Reading territory, and that's about it.
I'm Jenny Wendowski from CSI Payroll Service.
You having fun today?
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. I love all these machines.
Good. What do you like about Minolta?
Our salesman. Yeah, he's easy to work with, very efficient.
No one. Okay.
Also, like the technology, the digital technology, and he's been pretty aggressive in pricing.
First of all, I just want to thank everyone for coming to the 4th annual Minolta Business Solutions Powerhouse. My name is Mike Taylor. I'm the branch general manager of the Horsham branch. Here's my counterpart. Here's my counterpart on the service side. This is Rich Alonji. He's the branch service manager. Rendell Bradley is somewhere to be. He's with Harold. Okay, he's the branch manager of Philadelphia. Those in the Philadelphia branch. And we also have our chief in command, the commander-in-chief, Mr. Jeff Fernandez. He's the regional vice president. I don't know, what's the title now, Jeff? He's big guy, all right? But he's here. And we also have our own little coach. He's not that little. So I want to introduce you to our coach. When I first started with this company, that's how I knew him, because I got a bunch of videos of him being the coach. And I want to just introduce our coach. Before I do, we also have, as you're going around and looking at some of the color samples we have from some of our customers and looking at some of the machines, we have a representative of one of our partners, one of the biggest partners that we have, and that's with Fiery. And that's our gentleman right here, Greg Dalton. So if you have any questions or connectivity or Fiery or anything else, seek Greg out. He'll be glad to help you. But without further ado, I'd like to introduce the coach of Minolta, Mike Rakosnick.
Thank you, Mike. Oh, is this for me to use?
Yeah, well, it's for the cameras.
Oh, it is? Oh, am I just supposed to hold it here then?
Well, you can put it in your pocket if you want.
I don't know, these high-tech things. I don't know if we can work with this. Anyhow, pleasure to be with you, and it's great to see you folks. I'm from Minolta Corporation, as Mike had said. Our corporate office is up in the northern part of New Jersey. And when he had called and said that we had another powerhouse coming up with the esteemed guest that we have here today, my pleasure to be here and see you folks. In my capacity, I get to travel around the country and work with end users that buy our products, both our copiers in black and white and the color world, talk with the end users, talk with the prospects that we have, and try to solve some of the questions and answer some of the questions that they have. And when it comes to venues like this, I think this is one of the great things we're able to do to try to communicate what today's office environment is all about. How many people do we have in here that are now using Minolta branded products? Wow, we got some good knowledge in here about where Minolta's at and what we have done so far. How many of you know where we're going in the future? I want to talk to you guys after we're done here. I think the first people I've ever met that know that.
Thrash from the Eagles, and for anybody who's at least my age or older, maybe a little younger than me, they'll know this fella. He's I believe he's an Eagles Hall of Famer, isn't he? Yes. He's an Eagles Hall of Famer. And I was trying to hope it'd be Joe Namath for the Jets again. I keep saying that. I don't know why. No. But this fellow played at the same. No, I didn't play at the same time zone. But again, if he's ready, is he here? Yeah. All right. If we can go get him, you can't miss him. All right. Without further ado, Harold Carmichael. Hold on. Just to let you know, I mean, this was kind of a last-minute thing for Harold, and I really appreciate that with Thrash getting stuck down in Washington. So he doesn't have anything prepared, but I'm sure he'll be glad to answer any and all questions about the Eagles' upcoming season and the past season. So, you know, the floor is Harold, and go to it.
You got to be kidding. I talk all the time. But no, it's an honor to be able to come in on this short notice. I was just twirling my thumb down at the NovaCare Center. Right now, it's off season for all the players. Most guys are out of town. Guys are doing their little vacationing now because after the draft, once they start bringing in the draft choices and we start mini camp, everything ends basically. Well, you may get an opportunity to do a vacation somewhere, but it's not going to be long because most guys now are really playing again.
My bows and my curtain call. You brought me fame and fortune and everything that goes with it. I thank you all, but it's been no bed of roses, no pleasure cruise. I consider it a challenge.